2020, hand hygiene is one of the most greatly discussed and emphasized topic in the present scenario. Even small kids are well aware about the importance of hand hygiene and how it acts as a soldier or barrier to protect us against many of the infectious organisms. The theme of Global Hand Hygiene Day 2020 is Hand Hygiene for All, and it is also aligned along with the Nurses and Midwives Day 2020, recognizing nurses and midwives to be the effective leaders or warriors who play a greater role in infection control. And the main goal of Global Hand Hygiene Day 2020 is it greatly recognizes the importance of hand hygiene to take effective action against the prevention of infection. And there is a coordinate action of community along with the healthcare workers in the prevention of infection. The main aim of Global Hand Hygiene Day 2020 is that it inspires hand hygiene and behavioral changes to make hand hygiene to get a global acceptance, and also it greatly emphasizes the importance of community participation along with the healthcare professionals for a clean action and prevention of infection. And yes, together we could make it together.
Now we can see what are the complications resulting from avoidance of proper hand hygiene method. Hand hygiene is the most important procedure to prevent the spread of the infection from the environment of the patient to the patient itself. The diseases in the indigenous community caused by the germs, parasite, which resulting from inadequate personal and domestic hygiene include food poisoning, diarrhea, gastroenteritis, trachoma, skin infections, pneumonia, etc. Some of the microbes migrate from the skin to the joint, bone, and other organs. The most important complication is hepatic A viral infection, which can cause several severe symptoms include problems with liver, jaundice, abdominal pain, fever, fatigue. Is often spread via food which has been contaminated by people who preparing it who have not washed their hands after using toilets. In health settings, the patient primarily get infection from the healthcare workers' hands that are contaminated by the environment. Teaching the patient about the hand hygiene helps them and their community stay healthy. So, in order to prevent these complications, follow the proper hand hygiene techniques.
Hand washing has received considerable attention during COVID-19 pandemic. It is a simple primary preventive measure that most people can do independently. Hand washing with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use of alcohol-based hand sanitizer when soap and water are not available as the first line of defense in stopping the spread of infection. Whether you are at home, at work, traveling, or out in community, hand washing can protect you and your family. Washing your hands prevents illnesses and spread of infection to others. Cleaning hands with soap and water removes germs from multiple sources. Hand washing helps battle the rise in antibiotic resistance. Everything you need to know about washing your hands to protect against coronavirus. Washing your hands can protect you and your loved ones. Spend just 20 seconds that could save your life.
Proper hand washing helps us to get rid of the microorganisms present in our hands. In this COVID pandemic, if proper hand washing is not done, it allows the virus to spread fast even in a single touch. If you do not wash your hands, you may pass the virus to your loved ones and even to unknown people through the doorknobs and handrails. Our hands can act as vectors to transmit diseases. Therefore, proper hand washing helps us to prevent infections like diarrhea, respiratory infections, etc. Washing your hands with soap is much effective than using sanitizer or water alone. In this present scenario, a doctor infected with virus, if not performing proper hand washing, he may spread the virus to other hospital personnel, patients, and through them to a wide range of people. Therefore, all people, even from the grassroots level of community, must perform proper hand washing in order to get rid of this dangerous pandemic.
October 15, Global Hand Washing Day. On this special day, let's have a bit of talk regarding hand hygiene. Hand washing must be performed by all irrespective of age, that is, even from children to elderly. In the present scenario of COVID-19, hand washing has an inevitable role. We should perform hand washing in the following cases, like after returning from a public place, for example school, playground, workplace, hospital, etc. After shaking hands with someone, before, during and after cooking food, before eating, after caring for someone at home, before and after dressing a cut or wound, after going to toilet, etc. Just remember, since our hands are critical vectors for the transmitting of microorganisms, do not neglect proper hand washing. Once this pandemic is over, everyone should promote hand washing with the same enthusiasm and commitment, not only with the healthcare arena, but widely throughout the world and communities and populations. Yes, we may not yet have vaccines or treatment against COVID-19, but there is one powerful combo that can help stop the spread of virus, which many of us already have access to: soap and water. Accept hand washing as a part of your life. Use soap and water as weapons. Come on, let's get rid of all infectious microbes.